Welcome to EngineML. Thank you for joining us for this brief overview. In this video, I'll walk you through how to launch massively parallel machine learning experiments with EngineML. We will train an object detection model called RetinaNet. Experiments on EngineML are tracked and launched through Git so as to not interrupt your existing workflow. Your experiment's launch configuration is controlled with a file at the root of your repo called engine.yaml. I'll quickly change it so that our job runs on 32 GPUs instead of 2. On launch, your EngineML cluster will parse this file and provision as many GPUs as requested. In order to prepare to launch this experiment, we need to add and commit these changes to Git. We've set up a Git remote repository called Engine. Any push to this remote will launch an experiment. EngineML will randomly generate a unique job ID for each experiment. This one is called Profound Thermostat. GPU machines generally take 5 to 7 minutes to launch, so I've accelerated this video by 10x. It will take a few minutes for this experiment to start producing outputs. We'll revisit its progress in a few minutes. EngineML tracks any output written to the Engine Outputs folder. This model produces a checkpoint after the first step. We can retrieve outputs for any experiments through the CLI or web interface. Experiment outputs are backed up, immutable, and associated with the code used to create them, so you'll never have to worry about misplacing your checkpoints or code. Profound Thermostat has been training for 6 minutes. Let's see what other information is available from the experiment dashboard. All experiments that your team has run are available on this dashboard. Clicking on a job ID will bring you to the job details page. From this page, you can interact with your job in many ways, including downloading outputs, viewing logs, and opening TensorBoard. Here we see the logs page. EngineML captures the standard out and standard error of all jobs for all replicas. Logs are streamed to this page, so there is no need to refresh. If a log is too long, you can hover over it to see the entire message. Next, we have the timeline view. This view highlights all state transitions the job has undergone from cloning through finished. EngineML provides a utilization dashboard for your experiments. Using this dashboard can help diagnose bottlenecks in your code. This model has very close to 100% GPU utilization, so it's near optimal. Back to the job details page, we can see the most recent TensorBoard scalars. We can also go directly to this job's TensorBoard for more details. You can add multiple jobs to TensorBoard by selecting them from the jobs dashboard and clicking Open TensorBoard. Finally, we can stop this job by opening the Actions menu and clicking Cancel Job. Shortly, the jobs details page will verify that the job has stopped. Jobs will also shut down when they crash, finish, or are preempted. We hope you found this brief overview of EngineML's core offering informative. Please reach out to support@engineml.com if you need help or would like to see how EngineML can accelerate your engineering team.